Hello everybody, hope you guys are doing great. Welcome back to my channel. So yes guys, Christ University's forms are out. I have made a video regarding the whole process of how you need to fill the form, and I'm pretty sure all those people who are watching this video right now have already watched that video. But in case if you haven't, please check that video out. So guys, while I was finishing that video, there were some dates and there was a lot of confusion regarding the CUET dates and everything for the year 2022. So I thought of covering it up in this particular video. Along with that guys, I will try clearing the air regarding the multiple round system of Christ University. There are various kinds of doubts and questions coming regarding that, so I will try covering that up in the video. So make sure you watch this video till the very end. Most importantly guys, I think it's time that you get your preparation started for Christ University. Trust me guys, whatever preparation that you do for Christ University is also pretty valid for all the other colleges and courses that you end up applying later on. Christ University is the first in the league to start with, like their entrance tests, their interviews and micro presentations, but a lot of other universities follow up and they too have their interviews, everything. So whatever you prepare for Christ is equally valid everywhere else. For any kind of personal doubt that you have or any kind of career help or guidance that you need, you guys can book me up for my personal guidance and doubt clearing session. Interview preparation 101 is for mock sessions where I take your mock and ask you questions that usually come a lot on the interview. Likewise, give you constructive feedback of how you could make your answers stand out. At the same time, decoding micro presentation is to battle and tackle micro presentations, one of the weak points of a lot of students, because they fear speaking, they do not have a lot of confidence, they don't know how to go about it. So this particular session will help you with all of that. Guys, the link is in the description below, so please check the link and book up your sessions as soon as possible. Alright guys, so Christ University entrance test, also known as CUET 2022, the dates are out and they are going to be held on 13th of March 2022, 3rd of April 2022 and 8th of May 2022. These three different dates also signify the different rounds that Christ University is holding. So guys, like I told you, last year was a very lucky batch that they had 5 different rounds. This year, as of now, Christ University has announced 3 rounds. So they will be hosting the whole admission process basing on these 3 dates. So on the 13th, 3rd and 8th is when you will have your CUET. Your interviews and micro presentations do not necessarily have to be on the same date that you're having your CUET. Usually it is on the next day or the day after. So to give you an example, if you have your CUET on the 13th of March 2022, you might have your interview and micro presentation on the 14th or on the 15th of March. Also guys, a few courses do not have their CUET. You just directly have your interviews and micro presentations, so you don't need to be worried about the entrance test. And for all those people who are asking me whether this whole process is going to be online or offline, guys, the whole process is going to happen online. The CUET test will also happen online, and for interviews and micro presentations, they will send you a Google link where the faculty members will be waiting for you and they will take your interviews and micro presentation. Coming to one of the most confusing parts where majority of the people go wrong, I have already made a lot of videos regarding the multiple round system at Christ University, but I would be doing again because I know that there are a lot of new subscribers who are joining my channel right now, and it's very important for me to let them know of how the multiple round system goes. So guys, to help you explain it in the best possible manner, let's just take it that rounds in a layman's term means different chances. That means round 1 is like chance 1, round 2 is chance 2 and round 3 is chance 3. For all those people thinking that they need to choose only one of these 3 chances is wrong. What I mean to say is that you can pick up the round 1, which will be your chance 1. If you get rejected in round 1, then you can again apply in round 2. And if you get rejected in round 2, then you can again apply in round 3. A lot of people think that they only need to choose one date from either 13th March or the April one or the May one. That's not right. You can choose multiple rounds. And this is the advantage that Christ University has, is because it becomes a great equalizer. Because whosoever works hard in this period of time, whosoever prepares really well for CUET, whosoever prepares really well for interviews and micro presentations, have a high chance of making it there, irrespective of whatever marks you got in your class 11 or whether you are the class topper or you're not the class topper, all of that. So this is what the round system of Christ University is. Coming to the question that I have been asked a lot and on the comment sections of my previous videos, this question again and again has been asked about which round you should apply. So guys, I will not beat around the bush and tell you a lot of theory of what I think and why I think like that. If you guys consider me your mentor and a well-wisher, I would directly suggest you to please close your eyes and apply for round 1 itself. Now, I know that you guys might have your boards around those same dates or somebody might have practicals, all of that. But trust me, getting in round 1 is easier in comparison to getting it in round 2 or round 3. Likewise guys, if you get rejected in round 1 because you've prepared a little less, or you were not so very confident, you again have round 2 and round 3 to apply. To help you understand this, I'll just give you one anecdote of last year. So last year when Christ University opened up its forms, it was on similar dates, that the first round was very near to the boards or in between board exams. The other rounds were when the board exams would have ended and people would have ample amount of time to prepare. Now there were two kinds of people. One, who were the topper of their batch, who were extraordinary, super talented and very smart people, and the others were not so talented, but they were watching my videos regularly and they had understood the importance of round 1. The toppers had also watched my video and they thought that okay, we should focus first on our board, so let's not interfere with Christ in round 1 at all, and we will directly do it in round 2 or round 3 when our boards are ended and we'll have an ample amount of time to prepare for Christ and do it really well and slay. And on the other hand, the other viewers of mine, whom we call it not so very intelligent, they thought that okay, round 1 is what Kavach is telling us to apply, let us directly do it. They booked up their sessions with me, they prepared really hard. At the same time, they were managing or preparing for their boards. Unfortunately, obviously the boards did not happen and they had to postpone the boards, but the ones who appeared in round 1, a lot of them got selected. And in round 2, the toppers, the ones that we thought that they will have ample amount of time and prepare and do well, they got rejected, because in round 2 the competition becomes way higher, because all the rejects of round 1 also apply in round 2 and the seats are lesser in round 2 in comparison to round 1. And then they later on came to me and told me that how should we go about it, because we thought of not applying it in round 1 and directly doing it in round 2. Cutting the long story short, all I'm suggesting to you guys is that you guys can definitely take my help for preparation. I will take care of your interview preparation, micro presentation preparation. You guys can book me up for my personal guidance and doubt clearing session, and I can help you guys with scheduling. Trust me guys, right now I'm pretty sure and I can guarantee you all those people who are watching my videos, and the ones who've taken the personal guidance and doubt clearing session with me, they're already multitasking and preparing for their boards well, but at the same time also preparing for Christ. So that would be my suggestion for you guys. But if you still feel that you would be more comfortable in giving it in round 2 or round 3, that is also fine. This is just my recommendation and suggestion. So that's about it for this video. I would be coming up with more videos to mentor and guide you in the best possible manner. If you like this video guys, please like the button. Like I said, if you have any doubts, please book me up for my personal guidance and doubt clearing session. Last but not the least guys, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. It's my humble request. Please, it would not cost you a single penny. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you guys do not miss out on any of the updates. I'll see you soon with another video. Take care guys. Bye bye.